Have you noticed that carrying groceries up a single flight of stairs leaves you gasping for air, or that lifting your grandkids feels like a Herculean task? Maybe short walks around the block now leave your legs aching, and you're wondering if this is just normal aging. Here's the shocking truth. It's not just age stealing your strength. It's a preventable condition called sarcopenia, silently eroding your muscle mass every day. At Health Wisdom, we've spent years diving into cutting-edge nutrition research to uncover strategies that empower seniors to reclaim their vitality and independence. While eggs are often hailed as the gold standard for protein, there are 5 powerhouse foods that surpass them in protein content and muscle-building potential. 2 of these, including the top culprit, might be hiding in your kitchen right now, sabotaging your strength without you realizing it. In this guide, we'll reveal these game-changing foods backed by science to help you fight muscle loss, boost energy, and age with confidence. Stick with us to the end for a surprising pantry staple that could transform your golden years. And don't forget to share in the comments where you're watching from to join our global health-conscious community. As we age, our bodies undergo subtle changes, including a gradual loss of muscle mass known as sarcopenia. This isn't a disease, but a natural process that can make everyday tasks, like standing up from a chair or opening a jar, feel increasingly difficult. Research shows that after age 60, about 25% of people experience noticeable muscle strength decline, often without realizing it. Protein is key to countering this. It not only preserves muscle, but also supports tissue repair, strengthens immunity, and maintains mobility. The catch? Aging bodies become less efficient at using protein, meaning you need more of it, not less. Many seniors mistakenly cut back on protein, thinking it's easier on their system, but this accelerates muscle loss, increases fall risk, and reduces independence. The solution lies in choosing high-quality, nutrient-dense foods that deliver protein effectively. While eggs are a solid choice with 13 grams of protein per 100 grams, they're not the best. Let's explore 5 foods that outshine eggs, offering superior protein and unique benefits for seniors. Chicken is a global favorite, but its true power for seniors lies in its protein density and muscle-supporting nutrients. A 100-gram serving of cooked chicken breast delivers a whopping 27 grams of protein, more than double that of eggs. Beyond protein, chicken contains creatine, which boosts muscle recovery and reduces fatigue, and leucine, an amino acid that triggers muscle building, crucial for seniors with declining repair capacity. These compounds help combat sarcopenia, improve balance, and reduce joint instability. Aim for 100 to 150 grams of chicken daily, about a palm-sized portion. Opt for gentle cooking methods like baking or steaming to preserve nutrients and avoid frying, which can destroy benefits. Pair chicken with vitamin C-rich vegetables like bell peppers or spinach to enhance iron and zinc absorption, supporting endurance and recovery. Regularly including chicken in your diet can boost energy, stabilize walking, and protect against age-related weakness, making it a cornerstone of healthy aging. Tiny but mighty, quinoa is a nutritional gem for seniors, offering 14 grams of protein per 100 grams. Unlike most plant-based foods, it's a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids, making it ideal for muscle repair in aging bodies. Quinoa also provides magnesium for muscle relaxation, potassium for heart health, iron to combat fatigue, and phosphorus for strong bones. Its fiber stabilizes blood sugar, supports gut health, and promotes satiety, helping seniors manage weight and avoid energy crashes. Soak quinoa for 6 hours before cooking to reduce anti-nutrients like phytates and lightly toast it for better flavor and digestibility. A daily cup of cooked quinoa, paired with vegetables or legumes, creates balanced meals that enhance stamina and mobility. From salads to breakfast bowls, quinoa's versatility makes it a must-have for seniors seeking sustained energy and strength. Soy is a standout for seniors, delivering 9 grams of protein per 100 grams and all essential amino acids. Its isoflavones mimic estrogen, supporting bone density and joint flexibility, especially for postmenopausal women and older men at risk of osteoporosis. Studies show regular soy consumption slows muscle breakdown when paired with moderate exercise. Soy's fiber aids digestion, regulates blood sugar, and prevents energy dips, making it ideal for seniors with slow digestion or diabetes. Aim for 100 to 150 grams of tofu, tempeh, or soy milk daily, soaked or lightly toasted for optimal nutrient absorption. Add soy to smoothies, soups, or salads for a nutrient boost. Its ability to support muscle, bone, and metabolic health makes soy a vital addition to any senior's diet. Lentils pack a punch with 9 grams of protein per 100 grams, supporting muscle preservation in seniors. Their fiber promotes digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and curbs appetite, while iron, folate, magnesium, and potassium enhance energy, brain health, and heart function. Lentils' antioxidants reduce inflammation, easing joint stiffness and chronic disease risks. Soak them overnight to improve nutrient absorption and aim for 150 to 200 grams daily in soups, salads, or grain bowls. Affordable and versatile, lentils are a low-cost way to boost strength, reduce fatigue, and support cognitive clarity, making them a smart choice for healthy aging. Cottage cheese, with 11 grams of protein per 100 grams, is a senior-friendly powerhouse. Its casein protein releases amino acids slowly, supporting muscle repair overnight. Rich in calcium and vitamin B12, it strengthens bones and boosts nerve function and energy. Low in fat, it's heart-healthy and versatile. Blend it into salads, soups, or breakfast bowls. Soak it briefly in water for a softer texture, and pair with quinoa or lentils for a nutrient-packed meal. A daily 100-gram serving supports muscle maintenance, bone health, and vitality, making cottage cheese a simple yet effective choice for seniors. Healthy aging doesn't require complex diets. Try a quinoa lentil cottage cheese salad. Combine 100 grams of cooked quinoa, 50 grams of lentils, 50 grams of cottage cheese, and fresh vegetables, drizzled with olive oil and lemon juice. This 15-minute meal delivers protein, fiber, and antioxidants. Vary it with chicken and greens or soy-based soups. Consistency is key. Regular, balanced meals fuel resilience and independence. If this guide reshaped your view on protein and aging, or 0 if it feels like familiar advice, which food surprised you most? Share your experience with these protein sources below and let us know your country to connect with our community. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. Knowledge is power. Use it to age with strength and confidence.